Today we're going to be feeding Bo, and we're going to be training him.
Sit down, Bo.
It's Aubrey and Savannah. Here we go.
Sit, leg. Leg. Leg.
Oh,
Stay.
yeah.
Stay. No, that's bad. No cutie for you. Then come back. Now we're going to be going to Trigger, guys, and she's up there on the hill. As you see, she's having like a little bit of sleep, so we're just going to it's a surprise for the dogs.
I zoomed it in so they can see. Oh, there's no snakes. There's a snake. I'm going to kill someone.
Hey, baby girl.
Whoa, is that Shed?
No, that's her bed. She tore up her bed.
Oh,
There you go.
I was about to say, the fudge.